Grabe. Grabeng introduction na melt mo naman yung puso ko, Ma'am CJ. Thank you very much for that nakakataba ng puso na introduction na nakalimutan ko lahat ng sasabihin ko. Thank you. This is such a wonderful opportunity, everyone, no? This is my first time ulit mag-speak sa Zoom after so many years and na-miss ko kayo. Na-miss ko kayong lahat. Grabe. Before ako mag-proceed, gusto ko muna mag-thank you sa napakagaling na team behind this Zoom presentation. Unahin natin syempre yung ating Zoom host, si Doc Joshelle. Doc, thank you. Even sa preparation kanina, you were there with us and hindi magiging possible tong presentation na to without your help. So, thank you talaga. And syempre, yung nag-spearhead nito si our Team Elite, Pegasus, Sir Joel Gamas, and his wife, Team Elite Pavo, Ma'am Cyril. Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity. Privilege ko po na maimbitahan tonight to speak sa Zoom presentation na ito. Salamat po. Also kay Ma'am CJ. Galing-galing talaga. Ano, pag ikaw nag-i-intro, talagang, wala na akong sasabihin. Wala na, nakalimutan ko na lahat. Thank you very much for the love, for the respect, for everything. Alam mo yun, parang pagka nandyan ka, I always think na parang buti na lang hindi ako umalis sa Riway. Buti na lang nandito pa rin tayo. Diba? And also kay Ma'am Patrice, ikaw na ang favorite OPP speaker ko. Galing-galing. And to Ma'am Chris, alam mo, mahirap mag-share ng ganyang condition. Normally, pag health natin pinag-uusapan, hindi natin masyado dinidisclose yan. Ngayon, dinidisclose mo everything sa 87,000 people. Mahirap yun. Hindi basta-basta yun. I commend your courage, Ma'am Chris. And thank you very much for sharing. Ano po. So tonight, everybody, hindi ko nakikita ang lahat. Pero kailangan maramdaman ko kayo while nagsasalita ako. Kasi syempre, bonggang Zoom presentation to di ba? Okay lang ba? Let's start tonight's closing. Nag-start pa lang yung closing. Let's start tonight's closing with a positive affirmation. Sabihin natin, kahit sa chat, buti na lang. Buti na lang, nag-login ako. Why?
Buti na lang, nag-login ako.
Oo. Alright? Even sa chat ninyo, you make sure tayo dyan kasi dyan natin makikita yung ating mga affirmation. Alright? And then, may I request everyone na todo nyo yung volume nyo kasi I'll be talking to you. Kailangan ngayon, real talk tayo. Hindi ako mag-sugarcoat. Okay? Full volume mo. Kailangan marinig ng katabi mo. Marinig hanggang sa kapitbahay mo. Yung Zoom na yan. Alright?
Yes, madam.
Mo yan. Why? Because, alright. And then, one mouth rule tayo, ha? Okay? Let's all put our microphones on mute. Ayan, para marinig nyo at talagang we will not be distracted ngayon. Upo ng maayos. Kung kinakailangan mo may katabi kang tubig dyan para makainom ka later on. Okay lang. Sige, go. Alright. So, ready na ba kayo? Sit back, relax, and tonight is really a very clear reminder for all of us. Galing, mula sa umpisa hanggang sa dulo ng presentation na to, pinaalalahanan tayo na, uy, your health is your greatest wealth. Pero kung nakinig ka nga dun sa testimony ni Ma'am Chris kanina, eto lang, I have 5 pointers para sa ating lahat. Yung first point, nakita ko kagad dun sa testimony ni Ma'am Chris. Alam niyo kung ano yun? People never realize the value of their health until they get sick. Tama ba? Tama ba? Tayong lahat. Okay lang magpuyat. Okay lang kumain ng masarap. Okay lang okay lang mapagod. Okay lang yung, alam mo yan, okay lang abusuhin yung sarili. Total, malakas naman ako. Pero pag nagkasakit, iyak-iyak. Minsan masyado nating inaabuso. For example, yung mata natin. Basta dito, alam mo yun, games hanggang magdamag. Sige, inaabuso natin yung eyes natin until the time na dumating. Importante pala yan pagka hindi ka na makakita. Pagka blur na yung paningin. Tama ba? Mata pa lang yan. How much more yung health natin? Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is a reminder na, uy, you need to take care of your body. And what's the best way to take care of your body? Go natural. Punta ka, wag kang bastang mag-take ng kung ano-ano. Hindi pwedeng dahon-dahon, hindi pwedeng buto-buto, hindi pwedeng pito-pito. Kailangan mo yung pinaka-natural na paraan. And what is it? Kung napakinggan nyo si Ma'am Patrice kanina, simple lang pala ang healthcare. Hindi kailangan gawing complicated. Like health, like yari ka sa cells. Ang kailangan mo, cells din. And what's the best way for you to get stem cells? Portier. Tama ba? Oh, and that leads me to the next truth ngayong gabi. People work for money. Tama ba? Lahat tayo, we work for money. But when we get sick, alam nyo ba, we spend all our money. Sana, sarili mong pera yan. Oh, mamaya na yan, ma'am. Mamaya na. We spend all our money to regain our health. Akalain mo, nakatrabaho tayo, abusuhin natin yung katawan natin. Pagka nagkasakit, gagamitin mo lahat ng pera mo. Yan kung pera mo nga talaga yan. Minsan pati yung Bombay na walang kamalay-malay na dadamay, pati mga titulong natatago, pati yung mga kung ano-anong nabebenta dyan. To regain your health. Uutang ka. Pagka na-regain mo yung health mo, napansin mo ba yun? Pag na-regain mo yung health mo, tatrabaho ka ulit, aapusuhin mo ulit yung health mo para ma-regain mo naman yung perang nawala sa'yo. Ganun ang nagiging cycle. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about time to stop it. Merong solusyon. Hindi pwedeng puro ang iniisip natin, kumita, maging maayos ang buhay. Alam niyo ba, money cannot buy you good health and it cannot even save you from eventual death. Kahit ikaw ng pinakamayamang tao sa balat ng lupa, ikaw pa rin ang pinakamahirap pag ikaw ang may sakit. So ladies and gentlemen, eto yan na. Let me just talk to the people na may nararamdaman ngayon. If you are sick, tandaan mo tong araw na to. Kasi this is the day you learn about Portier. You learn about a very good solution. You learn about hope. Na regardless of your situation ngayon, ginusto mo yan o hindi, sinasadya mo yan o hindi, today is the time you realize na, hey, may pag-asa pa. Hindi ka forever ganyan. Dati ikaw ang asset ng pamilya. Ngayon, ikaw ang alagain. Ngayon, ikaw ang liability. Payag ka? Payag ka? Pwede mo pa i-improve yan. Pwede mo sabihin sa sarili mo, hindi pwede. Iaayos ko yung sarili ko. You need to take action. And when you are sick, kung hindi ikaw, baka meron kang kaibigan, kamag-anak, mahal sa buhay na may sakit. You need to take action. You need to do something. You need to take Portier. Tama ba? Wala kang choice. Kundi ayusin yung sarili mo, mag-take ka ng Portier. Wala kang ibang choice. Minsan, alam mo, ladies and gentlemen, having no choice is actually the best choice. And eto lang Portier is the best choice for you. Wala ka choice Kailangan mo mag-stem cell. Ano gusto mo? Gumastos sa malaki sa ospital. Ano gusto mo? Maging liability forever. Ano gusto mo? Ganyan ka na lang.
Hindi pwede. You need to take stem cells. May chance ka pa. Don't wait until it's too late. Tama ba? Bigyan mo naman ng chance yung sarili mo. You're not doing it for you alone. Ginagawa mo yan for your family. Ginagawa mo yan para sa mga anak mo. Kung ikaw ay anak, ginagawa mo yan para sa mga magulang mo. Para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Tama? Ma'am Helen, wala naman ako sakit. O sige, wala kang sakit. Today, na nakinig ka ngayon, today is the time you realize that you can be a better version of yourself. Kung kanina, yung may sakit, walang choice. Ikaw may dalawa kang choice. Wala ka sakit? Dalawa choice mo. It's either magre-reway ka o magpupurtir ka. Yun lang ang choice. Kasi wala ka namang sakit. You can be a better version of yourself. You can reach out and touch people's lives. You can be a blessing to a lot of people by doing Reway, by being in this platform. Tama? Kung ang habol mo naman, prevention, para hindi ka magkasakit, magportier ka na rin ngayon. Tama ba? Dalawa lang ang choice mo. Buti ka pa, may dalawa kang choice. Diba? Paano naman, Ma'am Helen, wala ka pera. Dati ka naman walang pera You have to do something. You have to find someone na walang choice. Tama ba? Saka siya yung portier, wala na sa choice That's how I started. That's how most of us here started. Inano yung portier sa may sakit na walang choice and then the business, ikaw mag-business. Why? You are healthy. You can be a better version of yourself. Tama ba? Ito pa maganda. Number 4 na pointer. Now is the best time. Now. Hindi bukas. Now is the best time to invest on your health. Bakit? Kasi prevention is better than cure. Either may sakit ka o wala, you have to see this. Doc, tingin ako nung slide. You really have to see this. Pag ikaw, merong isa sa mga sakit na to, hindi to research from Reway, ha? Research to ng Finance MD. This is an insurance company. Ito ay research noon pang 2020. Maggastos, magkasakit. Naman! Minsan sinasabi nila, mahirap lang ako, wala naman akong pera. Ito yung sakit, hindi naman yan namimili ng mahirap o mayaman, hindi naman sasabihin ng sickness na, ikaw, mayaman ka, may pera ka, cancer sa'yo, heart attack sa'yo, o ikaw, mahirap ka lang, ubo-ubo lang yung sa'yo, di kaya sore throat lang yung sa'yo, kasi mahirap ka. Hindi! Kaya nga tayo nagkakaroon ng bottleneck crisis kasi walang pinipili, mayaman o mahirap, nagkakasakit. Ngayon, ito maganda. Tonight, you are being given an option not to spend too much sa hospitalization. Bakit? Merong ng natural way for you to be healthy. Salamat ka, you were invited to this Zoom presentation tonight. Nalaman mo na, yari ako sa cells, so kailangan ko stem cells. This is the most natural way, the most convenient and affordable way to regain your health. Bakit? Pagka hindi ka, itong pinag-usapan natin ngayon is all about wellness. Pag ayaw mo ng wellness, in disregard mo ang wellness, ladies and gentlemen, magastos magkasakit, you will be desperate dadating ang time. You will be desperate looking for cure. You will spend so much money on illness. Ayaw mo ng wellness, namamahalan ka sa wellness, o sige, mas mahal ang illness. Pag hindi mo pa rin inasikaso yan, gagastos ka pa rin. Next slide please. Ayan. Ang tanong na sa'yo ngayon, hindi na ikaw ang tatanungin, yung naiwan mo, kahon o garapon? Mahal na rin ang kape. Ayaw na ng mga tao ng biskwit. Kailangan mga ref cake na ang ino-offer. Kailangan naka-buffet na ang burol. Gagastos ka pa rin. Pamana na dapat sa mga anak mo, iiwanan na dapat sa mga anak mo, gagastusin pa rin. Gusto mo? Ngayon ang tanong, kailan mo gustong gumastos? Etong gastos yan kasi walang balik. Pero if you are going to do Riway, if you are going to take Portier, hindi gastos yan. Yan yung pinakamagandang investment for you. Take Portier. Let's do Riway. Na walang choice mo. O, balik na sa akin. Tago na po yan kasi baka matakot sila. Tinatakot natin. When it comes to your health, always consider that as an emergency. Emergency. Ewan ko kung nakaranas kayo ng emergency. Alam mo yun, pag may loved one ka na may sakit, kunwari, in my case, noong 2017, may na-diagnose ako ng colorectal cancer. Alam mo ba yung cancer? Cells din yan. Habang lumilipas ang mga araw, yung mga cells nagduduplicate din. Ibig sabihin, lumalala. May kamag-anak ka na stroke, may kamag-anak ka na mayroong CKD, may kaibigan ka na each passing day, lumalala. Do not wait until it's too late. When it comes to your health, always consider that as an emergency. Pag emergency, nakakita na kayo ng tao na nasa emergency situation, tuliro, ano gagawin ko? Nag-iisip siya ng gagawin niyang action. Meron siyang kailangan gawin pagka-emergency. Lahat ilalabas niya kasi emergency. Ikaw, alam mo may sakit ka ngayon, sinare sa'yo yung Portier, ganun ka pa. Ay, mahal. Okay. Talaga? Sabi nga, consider this as an emergency. Bilisan mo. You go to the person who invited you. Sumama ka na sa office. Take Portier. You get Portier straight from the source. Huwag kang pipili kung saan-saan. Mamaya dyan, imbes na makatulong sa'yo, madedo ka pa lalo. Lalo na pagka binili mo yan online. Consider it as an emergency, ladies and gentlemen. Bakit? Buhay at nakasalalay. Kung loved one mo may diferensya, buhay ang nakasalalay, you need to take action immediately. Huwag ka na mag-antay. Aantayin ko next month. Aantayin ko magbibenta pa ako ng property. Emergency nga! Di ba? Pag gusto, may paraan. Bakit mo to gagawin? Kasi ito yung mga benefits mo of taking Portier. Huwag ako mag-focus masyado sa sickness. Benefits of taking Portier. Number one, you'll have more time with your loved ones. When I say time, I'm talking about quality time. Kasama mo ngayon loved one mo, tanong, happy ba silang kasama ka? Baka naman alagain ka. Baka naman, alam mo yun, masyado ka ng grouchy kasi ang daming masakit. Baka naman puro ka ng reklamo. When I say time with your family, when you take Portier, you'll have more time with your family. You can travel together, you can do things na mag-enjoy ang buong pamilya, happy kayo kasi walang may sakit, lahat healthy. Ladies and gentlemen, that's priceless. Huwag mong ipagpalit yung quality time with your loved ones. You can give that kung ikaw nagtitake ng Portier, healthy at maayos. Okay? Number two, you'll be more productive. Kasi wala ka sakit. Diba? Dati ikaw yung ikaw yung haligi, ikaw yung sinasandalan ng pamilya. Tapos dahil may sakit ka, payag ka, ganun na lang. Hindi. You can still do it. You can still be productive. You take Portier. Number three, when you take Portier, you will have the opportunity to give your family the life that they deserve. Lagi ko itong sinasabi. Kasi as a single parent, nahirapan yung mga anak ko. Kilala ako ng mga anak ko na maming sablay. Kasi lagi na lang every time na may due date, napuputulan ng ilaw, napuputulan ng kuryente, lagi na lang kulang.
Lagi na lang walang ulam. When I started to do Riway, when I took Portier, I was able to give my family the life that they deserve. Hindi pwedeng sabi ng lola, maliit at kumot, matutong mamaluktot. Hindi! Pag nasa Riway ka, pag nandito ka, buti na lang nandito ka ngayon, na-realize mo na pag maliit ang, ano nga yan? Pag maliit ang kumot, palitan mo, mag-Riway! Bakit ka mamamaluktot? May option ka! Tama ba? I don't want to sound na parang I'm bragging. I don't want to sound na parang napakayabang. Hindi. Totoo nangyari sa amin. All you have to do is have the heart to help others. Bakit? Dito sa Riway, the more you help others, the more you share about this information, the more na yung blessing bumabalik sa'yo in the form of RWs. Naiyak ko na po, nakakatuwa. And that will definitely help you change your life and your family's life for the better. Ito pa, pag nag-take ka ng Portier, tapos sumasama ka sa Riway, di ba? Bukod sa gumaganda ka, you are stronger and fit in your quest for fulfillment, happiness, and in finding your life's purpose. Hindi ka basta nandyan. We have leaders here, 70 plus years old, na talaga nakikita nila yung purpose ng buhay nila dito sa Riway. Regardless, maging sino ka man, kung ano man ang edad mo. Let's do Riway together. Let's all be happy. Let's all be healthy together. Tama ba? This is a wake-up call, ladies and gentlemen. And then, alam mo anong best part? You are... paano ko ba sasabihin to? You are blessed to be a blessing. Ano yun, pag healthy ka, blessing yun, di ba? And then, isi-share mo. Kasi lagi namin sinasabi, a blessing is not a blessing until you share it to others. Share it, share. Wala nang ibang mas magandang gagawin kundi i-share ang isang napakagandang blessing sa mga kaibigan, kamag-anak o kakilala. So, ladies and gentlemen, whether you are sick, whether you are not sick, or ikaw ay isa ng leader dito sa Riway, meron tayong gagawin. Diba? Let's spread the word. Let's share this. Kung meron kang problema sa katawan mo, you take Portier and take advantage of the next 8 days. Kailangan ko lang sabihin to, ha. Take advantage of the next 8 days. Bakit? Alam mo ba? Hindi ko sure kung sasabihin ko todo. Pero January, wala. Hindi natin alam kung kailan ulit magkakaroon. Di ba? Lagi kong sinasabi, this is the best time to invest on your health. Alam nyo ba, may announcement ngayong Chinese New Year na merong libreng isang bote ang company hanggang sa February 24. 8 days lang, ladies and gentlemen. 8 days. Alam mo ba magkano ang worth? 224,000 pesos worth ng Portier. 224,000. Tama. Worth of Portier. And you're only going to get it for only 180,500. Huy! Savings yan ng more than 43,500 pesos for the next 8 days. Ito yung sinasabi ko na hindi ka lang basta nag-take ng Portier. Ang makukuha mo dito is more time with your family, opportunity to change your life, being stronger, better, fit, healthier, prettier. Di ba? Lahat yun makukuha mo. And ang maganda doon, do not wait until it's too late. Huwag ka na mag-antay ng matagal. Ngayon na. Okay? And then anong best part? You take Portier. Ito yung regular, ito yung dosage siya sa mga normal na ano. Kailangan ma-share namin to sa inyo. You take Portier, 2 sa morning, best time niyan is before breakfast. Meaning, take it on an empty stomach. 2 on the first month sa morning, 2 sa gabi. Pagkatapos kumain, bago matulog. Meaning, yan na yung last touch. Kasi ang goal, first and last touch to small intestine. On the second month onwards, hanggang matapos yung therapy, okay, isa na lang sa umaga, isa sa gabi. Reduce dosage agad. Ano ang effect? Well, syempre, yan yung you'll be looking and feeling younger ng 5 years. Yan yung sinasabing reverse aging. Hindi lang yan, alam nyo ba, Portier works from inside out. Ibig sabihin, sa loob muna aayusin niya and then nagre-reflect yan sa labas. Galing nitong ano na to. All you have to do is start taking it. You talk to the person who invited you. Binigyan ko na kayo ng idea paano gawin to. Now, kung paano nyo uumpisahan, ay, kausapin mo yung taong nag-invite sa'yo, and then punta sa office, and then aralin mong maigi, ipag-pray mo, then you start taking Portier. We still have 7 days to go, and take advantage natin to ngayong February. Bakit? Kasi maraming, alam mo, na-excite ako kasi ang dami nating mga kaibigan, kamag-anak o kakilala. Ngayon, pag may nakita kang hindi pantay ang lakad, alam mo kagad anong kailangan yan? Portier. Pag may nakita kang baliko ang muka, ano kailangan yan? Portier. Yung mga kamag-anak mo na uubo-ubo, na merong mga problema sa katawan, ano kailangan lang? Portier. You will see life differently this time now that you've heard about this OPP presentation tonight. Okay? So, ang challenge ko sa inyo, you take action. Take control of your life. Do not be at the mercy of other people. Now is the best time. Alright? So, with that, thank you very much, everybody. Thank you very much for listening. I hope we learned something ngayong gabing ito. And, yun lang. God bless us all. Back to you, CJ.
Ayan, thank you so much po, Ma'am Helen Don, for sharing that closing speech for all of us.